In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a queue as record owner in Salesforce Flow. By the end, new records will automatically land in a queue instead of a single user, ready for team triage. First, log into Salesforce and open Setup. In the Quick Find box, search for queues and open it. Queues are shared record owners. Instead of assigning a new record to one person, you assign it to a queue so a group can work from the same backlog. Members can claim items, or you can route them with automation. Open your target queue as an example and copy its ID from the URL. It's the 15 or 18 character value after ID. Keep that handy, we'll use it in the flow. Go back to Quick Find, search for flows, and click New Flow. Choose Record Triggered Flow. This type of automation runs on the server the moment a record event happens, so there's no button click required. Set the object to lead. That means this automation will run for lead records. You can adapt the same pattern later for other objects. For the trigger, select A record is created so it fires right when a new lead is inserted. On the canvas, click the plus icon and add Get Records. Get Records pulls data you'll need later in the flow. Give it a clear label, then choose the object that stores your queue information in your org. For example, a group or buyer group object, if that's how your environment is set up. Add a filter to find the specific queue, and paste the queue ID you copied from the URL into the appropriate field, so the flow retrieves the correct record. Store all records so you have the full dataset available. Add another element and choose Assignment. Assignment lets you set values on variables or records inside the flow. Label it clearly. For the variable to update, select the triggering lead Salesforce object, which represents the exact lead that started this flow. Use the entire resource option so you can assign fields on that record directly. For the value, reference the appropriate global or system resources made available in Flow, then choose Entire Resource to point to the record you just retrieved. The end goal is to set the lead's owner to the queue's ID, so the queue becomes the record owner. Click Save, enter a descriptive flow label, save again, and then activate. Quick recap. When a new lead is created, the flow fetches your target queue and assigns the lead's owner to that queue automatically. That's it. Clean, fast routing with no manual steps. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.